Hello and welcome to another video on Bitcoin. Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin Weekly Supertrend Indicator. Bitcoin right now is sitting at $95,188 as we speak. And if you remember in the past video, I mentioned that Bitcoin has always respected this super trend line, and we never got any weekly close below this super trend line. And right now, Bitcoin price is below this super trend line, which is not good for Bitcoin, but we have to wait and see if we will get a weekly close below this super trend line or not. Another indicator that I always watched closely throughout this bull cycle is the super trend indicator. Why this is a good indicator? Because this indicator previously, if we look at the 2022, which was the beginning of the new bear market, as soon as the this indicator got red, it indicated the beginning of the new bear market. And as you can see, it nicely indicated the new bear market, and we had a drop of around 70% for Bitcoin. And then when it signaled green, then that was the beginning of the new bull market, which lasted until now, but we don't know if it's gonna continue or not. Because right now, the price that we have for Bitcoin is below this super trend indicator and also this below this super trend line. And if you can see right here, I don't know if you guys can see this, this is signaling. We got a red color here for the Bitcoin price and the super trend indicator, indicating an initial signal that a downtrend is coming soon. And if we get this confirmed, right now it's not confirmed. We have an initial signal. We know that the color is red, but if we bounce back from here, then it shouldn't be a big deal. So we'll have a weekly close above this trend line and also the super trend indicator. It could happen like similar to what happened in 2024. We got a wick below the super trend indicator, but we closed above the indicator. So similar thing could happen, but we have to watch it closely. Maybe if we get a weekly close below this super trend indicator, that's going to be very bad for Bitcoin. That's going to indicate a large and strong downtrend for Bitcoin. And the reason why I'm saying is that because this trend, super trend indicator, is not indicating like a short-term downtrend or a short-term uptrend, because this is indicating in a large time frame what's happening for Bitcoin. And like I said, as soon as it get red, that was the beginning of the new bear market for Bitcoin in 2022. And so we have to wait and see what's going to happen for Bitcoin. Another thing that I want to talk about here is that if you look at the Bitcoin price throughout this bull cycle, a drop of around 34 to 35% has always been like normal for Bitcoin, and it never indicated a new bear market. Like for example, we got right here a drop of around 33 to 34% for Bitcoin in August 2024, and then we got a rally and a leg higher. And then again, we got another drop of around 32% for Bitcoin. And again, that was not the end of the bull market. and we didn't experience any bear market, and the bull market continued on. And right now we have a drop of around 25% so far. I mean, it's a huge drop, but we are not there yet. We are not at 32% or 34%. But I mean, you have to be careful here. The reason why I'm saying this is because what makes it different this time from the previous time and the previous drops is that if we get another 5 to 10% drop for Bitcoin, it's a big deal. It wasn't a big deal in the past cycles, and the reason was because we never got any weekly close below this Supertrend indicator and also below this Supertrend line. But if we get another 5 to 10% drop for Bitcoin, given that we have only 2 days for Bitcoin to close the weekly candle, then that is likely will indicate a very strong downtrend for Bitcoin and is not good for Bitcoin at all. And yeah, guys, that's all I want to talk about and share in this video. In summary, we have a initial signal showing that the Supertrend indicator is indicating a downtrend, but this initial signal is just a signal. It's not confirmed yet. When it's going to get confirmed? As soon as we got a weekly close below 96,293, roughly like $96,300, then that would be a confirmation that there's gonna a strong downtrend is coming for Bitcoin, and likely the beginning of the new bear market. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for another video that's coming tomorrow. Have a good one.